Polar bears live in the Arctic, ice, water, and snow.
Polar bears sleep on the snow and the ice.
Polar bears have big feet, then they won't fall in the ice.
Polar bears eat seals. They hunt under the water.
Seals can make holes in the ice with their noses and teeth.
Seals eat fish, squid, and krill. Seals have flippers to help them swim.
Seals live in seas and oceans. Most seals live in the Antarctica. Most seals live in the deep ocean.
Snowy owls are white birds. They have dark spots.
Snowy owls have feathers to make them warm. Snowy owls have strong wings. Snowy owls have yellow eyes.
Arctic foxes eat lemmings and fish and birds. They hunt for food all by themselves.
Foxes Arctic foxes eat squid and fish. Arctic foxes have long bushy tails. Their tail keeps them warm when they sleep. Arctic foxes have white fur in winter, therefore it's mostly brown. In summer it looks like a dog. Penguins have short legs so they waddle when they walk. Penguins live in colonies. That means living together. They use wings as flippers. Flippers is good for swimming. Penguins love to eat fish, krill, and squid. Krill look like shrimp. They dive under the water to get krill, and they eat them under the sea too. Penguins' heads are sometimes different colors. Penguins are many sizes.